Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very popular dish from the beautiful land of Kashmir, Wazwaan Tchaman, widely known as Lal Paneer. So without any further ado, let's begin. Here I have taken 400 grams of paneer. Cut this into big slabs like so. This is how it is traditionally cooked in Kashmir to impart a meaty texture. Take 4 cups of water, bring this to a boil. Add a teaspoon of turmeric and salt. Now add the paneer and let this boil for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. This is a traditional way of Kashmiri cooking which helps any vegetables or meat to absorb the flavors well. After 7 minutes, remove the paneer and keep it aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, let's make a red chilli paste. Take a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Only add Kashmiri red chilli powder, add little hot water and mix this into a paste like so. This imparts a beautiful color to the dish. Heat some mustard oil for frying the paneer. Make sure to bring this to a smoke point. This helps to reduce the pungency and bitterness of the oil. Switch off the flame, let it cool down and now it's ready for cooking. Try your best to use mustard oil for the authentic taste. Now add the paneer one by one. Fry this for 4 to 5 minutes on each side on medium flame till it turns golden brown like so. Once it's fried well on both the sides, remove it and keep it aside. Now remove the excess oil, leave behind 3 tablespoons of oil, add the whole spices. I've listed the exact ingredients in the description down below, please check it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, saute for a couple of minutes. Now add the prepared Kashmiri red chilli paste. Now immediately add the tomato puree. This is ready-made tomato puree around 200 ml. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoons of dried ginger powder. These are essential ingredients in Kashmiri cooking, so do not skip it. Cook the puree for 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame till it starts to release oil like so. At this stage, a tablespoon of fried onion paste. The ideal onion should be wild shallots or mountain onions. If you can source it, that would be the best fit. Saute for a minute, add some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar to balance out the flavors. Add the remaining turmeric water and slow cook this for 15 to 20 minutes till the gravy thickens and all the flavors combine beautifully together. After 20 minutes, the gravy has thickened beautifully. Add the fried paneer one by one. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame so the paneer will absorb all the beautiful flavors from the gravy. Paneer has soaked in all the flavors beautifully. Garnish with some coriander leaves and half teaspoon of homemade garam masala. This is optional. And that's it. A delicious lal paneer is ready to be served. This is traditionally served with steamed rice. Hope so you have liked the recipe. Definitely try this recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.